Hello, dear students. Welcomes in chemistry online classes. Today, students, we starts about chemistry in different version. First of all, our AG's question is to be what is chemistry and what is the history of chemistry and which departments related to chemistry, and in the sector of chemistry we can be produced different weapons, so that the word chemistry means the history of chemicals. The history of chemicals is known as chemistry in general way. What is the means of chemicals? Chemicals include like as atoms, molecules and its compounds. Studied about atoms, molecules and its compound are called as chemistry. Chemistry department is a vast area, and today in morning to evening time or late night we use the chemicals in the form of drugs, pesticides and domestic things like as sugar, like as milk. These are all chemicals. Chemicals may be injurious to be health, but may be healthy for medicine purpose. So that we starts about department of chemistry. Generally, chemistry have many departments, like as agrochemistry. In this chemistry, students studied about dairy technology, soil technology, and many farming technology. So that it is the important technology in agrochemistry. This chemistry deals with students of agriculture science. Second chemistry is the industrial chemistry. This chemistry belongs to industry, formation of many compounds and formations of many industrial products like as ammonia, pesticides, urea, fertilizers and different useful products. This is called industrial chemistry. Now nuclear chemistry. This chemistry belongs to formation of weapons like as atom bomb, hydrogen bomb, molecular bomb and many missiles. In this chemistry includes neutrons categorized examples. Next, pharmaceutical chemistry. This chemistry belongs to only medicines. Only medicines. And mostly chemistry generally categorized in three parts. First part is be in organic chemistry, second organic chemistry, and third physical chemistry. Students, in class 11th and 12th, chemistry categorized in three parts: inorganic, organic, and physical chemistry. Generally, in inorganic chemistry, we studied about metals, non-metals, some metals, acid, base, metalloids, and its many compounds. Organic chemistry deals with studied about organic compounds which forms hydrocarbon and its derivative. Hydrocarbon. This word already learnt in class 10th. Hydrocarbon. Compound which forms by hydrogen and carbon. Then in the organic chemistry, we studied about only hydrocarbon and its derivative. Last third, physical chemistry. In this department, in this chemistry, we include studied about effect of physical conditions like as pressure, temperature, concentration on the chemical reaction. It means in this department we studied about physical conditions affected chemical reactions are called as physical chemistry. Students, we studied about today what is chemistry. It means chemistry is the history of the molecules. The history of the chemicals, not the molecules. And chemicals includes atoms, molecules, and its compound. The first time name of chemistry given by scientist Antony Lavoisier. Chemistry word is given by scientist Antony Lavoisier. Therefore, Antony Lavoisier is called as father of chemistry. Today, we called it old father of chemistry. Now, modern father of chemistry, it means chemistry vastly classified into various purposes. Therefore, modern father of chemistry is be different scientists like as Boyles, Charles, Henry. These scientists include in the categories of modern father of chemistry. Okay, students, this is the introduction about chemistry. We studied about department of chemistry. We studied about classification of chemistry in different parts: inorganic, organic, and physical. We studied about old father of chemistry. We studied about modern father of chemistry, Charles, Boyle, and Henry. These are the modern father of chemistry. Today we studied about syllabus of chemistry in 11th class for the purpose of IIT JEE and NEET. This chemistry includes 14 chapters. Name of first chapter is be some basic concept of chemistry. This chapter is very important in class 11 because this chapter includes many definitions related to basic purpose of science. So that we start chemistry at a first lesson, some basic concept of chemistry. Second chapter, name of this atomic structure. This chapter basic already studied in class 9th, but this chapter taken various purpose in many theories. Third chapter, periodic table. This chapter already studied in class 10th, periodic table, but here explained in many purpose. Lesson number 4, it is a very important lesson for competitive purpose, chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. This chapter includes many bonding between atoms in a molecule, linkage, covalent bond, ionic bond, coordinate bond, and many concepts includes here. Lesson number 5, states of matter. This is a very important chapter. In this chapter, we studied about liquid and gases, many properties of gases, laws of gases, and many methods used in this lesson. Lesson number 6, thermodynamics. This chapter studied in physics, but in the another way, in the chemistry, we studied thermodynamics in different way with thermochemistry. It means studied about thermodynamics with thermochemistry. Therefore, it is a different lesson to the physics because it contains thermochemistry, but physics include only thermodynamics. Therefore, this lesson categorized with thermodynamics and thermochemistry. Lesson number 7 is be equilibrium. Very important lesson, equilibrium. This chapter include 5 chapter of competition. Therefore, 11th class is very important for the purpose of IIT JEE and NEET. Foundation is started at the class of 11th. Therefore, we studied about chemistry in different ways. Lesson number 8, redox reactions. This lesson is very important. Basic part you already studied in 10th class, oxidation, reduction, redox reaction, but in this lesson we studied about many examples and practical examinations. Lesson number 9, very simple lesson, hydrogen. Very simple lesson, hydrogen. Only you know about only symbol H, but this lesson indicated many concepts, its formation, its methods, its chemical reaction, physical properties, hard water, soft water, ice, and hydrogen peroxide, and heavy water. Many topics discussed here. Lesson number 10, elements of S block. This chapter is very important and simple lesson. At a competition purpose, only 2 questions taken here. Next, lesson number 11, elements of P block. This lesson belongs to P block, P block elements. But in 11th class, only 2 families studied about. Only boron family and carbon family and its compound, and remaining family studied in class 12th. Therefore, 12th class also includes P block. Chapter number 12, organic theories, techniques. It means this lesson belongs to organic chemistry. Very important lesson of chemistry. Here 6 chapter includes in this category of competition. It means this chapter belongs to 6 chapter of competition. You know already name given. IUPAC name means nomenclature, isomerism, general organic chemistry, first types of chemical reaction, types of organic reactions, general organic chemistry, seconds, many effects of organic compounds related to covalent bond, practical chemistry includes in this lesson. Lesson number 13, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Students, this chapter belongs to alkane, alkene, alkyne, and benzene. Therefore, this chapter categorized in 4 chapters of competition. But in 11th class, only we studied hydrocarbon. Lesson number 14, environmental chemistry. Very simple lesson related to pollution, related to fog, mist, acid rain, and different topics like as greenhouse effects, glaciers. Very important lesson, but this lesson is not important for competition purpose. Today students, in this video we studied about only introduction of chemistry, and basic part of chemistry we start in next video. Don't waste your time and continue your study with online chemistry classes. If you want to regularly study, then you should be remember that time is be past, but your time is be better for next future. So that I hope that you will be consider all videos in future purpose. Okay, thank you. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.